Hey guys, it's Paul from online Sax Academy. Recently I had a subscriber ask me if I could put together a backing track for the Take 5 melody and the solo section for the transcription I recently did of Paul Desmond's solo. The solo that's featured on the original track only goes around the initial A section, around the first two chords. It doesn't go around the B section, and he was having trouble finding a backing track that just stuck to the A section when it got into the impro section. So in this backing track we've got the 4-bar introduction, the melody followed by the transcribed solo. Now you can either play the transcribed solo or improvise your own. Then we have a 4-bar introduction again, leading us back to the tune one more time. If you want a more in-depth tutorial of how to play the melody, that's on the card above. Also, if you'd like a tutorial and a more in-depth look into Paul Desmond's amazing solo, that's on the card above as well, or both of those videos are linked down in the description below. One thing to remember is that the melody starts on beat 4. It has a lead-in of 2 beats going into the beginning of the bar.